Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to speak on a topic that excites all of us: how students should spend summer vacation. Summer vacation is a much awaited break in every student's academic life. It offers us a valuable opportunity to step away from a regular routine of schools and recharge our minds and bodies. However, while it is a time for rest and relaxation, it should also be used wisely and productively. Firstly, students should make time to develop their interests and talents, whether it is reading, writing, painting, sports, computer courses, or any other constructive activity. Summer vacation gives us the freedom to explore our passion without any pressure of exams and deadlines. And most importantly, as a Muslim, it is the best time for us to enrich our religious knowledge and learn the translation of Holy Quran.
Conclusion: summer vacation is not merely a break from studies. It is a time full of possibilities. With a balanced approach, we can enjoy our holidays while also using them to become more skilled, thoughtful, and well-rounded individuals. Thank you, and I wish you all a joyful and meaningful summer.
Lastly, we must remember to pay back to the society. Participating in community service, environmental initiatives, or helping those in need can instill the sense of responsibility and inspiration.